look at this high bridge. It's going to take us to Fort Myers Beach. Now we're on the corner of San Carlos and 5th. Straight ahead is the Sandal Factory. And one of the public beaches is very nearby too. Got to yield to traffic here. And just look at the glorious beach here in Fort Myers. A lot of tourists relaxing, walking down this stretch. We're passing allegedly Fort Myers' best breakfast at the Salty Crab. Look at the birds. Just a perfect day to ride down this stretch of beach here. See the birds. There's some vintage hotels here. Right now we're passing some smaller hotels, probably in the 50s. Gotta watch all the crosswalks here. T-shirts. I love the cute little Lani, kind of like a faux Hawaiian resort. Good place for some nachos. Great place to rent some scooters. Now we're passing Avenue C. On the right is Hooters. It's a Florida chain. Unfortunately, a lot of millennials aren't patronizing Hooters like they used to. There's the Sea Gypsy Inn. Continuing our big drive down Estero. Cute little tram here. Some beach bars, tattoo studios, places to rent bikes. Coming up to the right, I love their sign, Hoosiers in Paradise, and the places for grooming for your dog. We're continuing to pass some condominiums and hotels, a little bit less touristy part of the beach. Now we're passing Neptune. Heidi's. Coming up on the left is an RV park. Junkanoo. They have really good bike paths here in Fort Myers Beach. There's a Tiki on the beach resort. That's very cute. Very nice looking condo. And coming up on the left is a Publix. Here we are outside the Bayfront Bistro. It's a popular restaurant here in Fort Myers Beach, directly on the water. And boating's a popular activity here too in Fort Myers Beach. Look at this nice marina. Hey, when you come to Fort Myers Beach, it's nice to look at all the restaurants, bars, taverns, and shops. But let's check out the beach to see if it's really cool or not. Very relaxing. Most of these people paying several $100, maybe $1,000 a night to stay here. See some people riding bikes along the beach. That modern building straight ahead is the library here at luxury condominiums here in the beach here. Most of them are in excess of $500,000 up to about $4 million. And along this strip of Estero Boulevard is the Fort Myers Beach Town Hall. Friendly people here along the bay, and there's no shortages of places to buy beachwear. And coming up is a Shamrock Irish pub. Lots of nice outdoor dining. Well, this place will be carnival someday. I wonder who owns the Periwinkle Motel. Another generation. And one of the nicer resorts is the DiamondHead here. More condos, and up on the right is a day spa.